Good afternoon. Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Ca- from Kathryn's News Creech channel, KCN News. I'm Kathryn Creech, and I'm the newscaster for all of New Jersey. And for an update, a 9:30 update, um, conviction remains fairly isolated and generally low in intensity. small cell small cells have occasionally been developing in the southern half of the region. Radar rainfall estimates have locally exceeded 1.5 inches for training cells in Burlington County. There is still a chance of locally heavy rainfall the next few hours as the cells that have developed, while small, have shown some training characteristics. The main area to watch for this will be near and along the I-95 corridor, where a couple of cells have developed recently over Northeast MD and Northern DA, which is Delaware, moving northeast while a strong thunderstorm cannot be completely ruled out. The severe weather that threat largely appears to have passed. Um, we will also have to watch for patchy fog development overnight with plenty of residual low level moisture. And it has a 6:30 update. The forecast is generally on track. Made some adjustments to PUPs to account for recent trends. Bulk of activity so far been over southern Damara. From a hydro perspective, um, this is not too problematic as FFG values in that area is very high in terms of severe weather. We we have seen one um, area of storms becoming borderline severe and southern DE into far southern New Jersey, expecting most conviction from here to generally be sub-severe. However, a few stronger storms uh, are possible, with still a chance for one or two approach severe limits with gusty winds almost not yet nodding some guidance such as the HRRR shows activity filling in further north quite a bit later tonight. So so we will have to watch for this as heavy rainfall tolerance levels drop dramatically towards the more urban parts of the area. It it does not appear that much of any of the natural inner section of will develop this evening. So the dew points remaining high and forcing becoming a little bit, it is possible we could get new conviction in imitation as um, even even as temperatures cool off a little after dark. Previous discussion follows. High pressure remains center over the western Atlantic, and low pressure over the Great Lakes will slowly pass to the north tonight. This will drag a cold front towards the region this evening, but the cold front itself will not cross through until Thursday, which is today, which is tomorrow, I mean, until Thursday. Out ahead of the front, some mid-level shortwave energy will spawn a secondary low over the southern Appalachians, and this low will pass through Delmara and southern New Jersey this evening. A hot, humid, and unstable air mass is over the region, with surface dew points well in the 60s and in the upper 60s to around 70 in southern New Jersey and Delmara. This is resulting in upwards of 2000 J/kg of Molokai and SB Cape across Delmara and southern New Jersey, and 500,000 J/kg across the northern half of New Jersey and into northeast Pennsylvania. PWATS are generally 1.5/1.7 inches in the southern Poconos of the forecast area, but should climb up to around 2 inches this evening. This sets the stage for a round of potential severe thunderstorms as well as locally heavy rain. Based on largest trends, the area of highest rain should affect Delmara and southeast New Jersey, where the high instability and highest dew points are. However, latest flash flood guidance value suggests it will take 2 to 3 of rain in 1 hour and 3 to 4 inches of rain in both 3 hours and 6 hours for flash flooding to occur. Since storm total QPF is generally on the order of 1 to 2, through locally higher amounts are possible. Do not think this will lead to flash flooding, so will not issue a flash flood watch. Models are also anticipating a potential swift of heavy rain just north of Philadelphia. So it is possible for some urban flooding this evening. And conviction is possible in the northern New Jersey, north of I-95. The Lehigh Valley and southern Poconos both do not look to be as Oregon as the conviction down south. Um, with the loss of diurnal heating after sunset, instability drops off fairly quickly. Heavy rain still possible, but the severe threat drops off. Several waves of showers and thunderstorms will affect mainly the southern half of the forecast area through midnight or so. Also, once the precipitation ends, it means warm and humid into Thursday morning. Fog and stratus likely to develop low tonight in the 60s. But as of right now, high pressure continues to drift eastward over the Atlantic as low pressure with associated cold moves through the Great Lakes. The cold front is forecast to pass through our region on Thursday, followed by high pressure on Friday into the weekend. Broad low pressure and other cold front are expected to approach slowly from the west early in the new week. And now for the weather of the local for northern and southern New Jersey. The high will be is with 71, and thunderstorms is approaching. 16-mile-an-hour winds from the south-southwest winds. 70 is our low today, and 84 is the humidity. 80% chance of rain is in for the forecast as of for tonight. Thursday, you have the high is 77. Light rain in the early commute. 70 will be the low. 11-mile-an-hour winds from the west wind side, and 100% on Thursday as well. Then on Friday, you have the high of 72, partly cloudy, 10-mile-an-hour winds from the east side. 67 will be the low, and no chance of rain on Friday, which is good. I'm tired of it raining anyway. And I always say it, as well as this, with Kathryn Creech's news, Creech channel, KCN News 72. When I get the news, I bring it live to you. Have a good night, everybody, and see you at 8:30 a.m.